Nestled in the heart of Kwande Local Government Area in Benue State, Nigeria, lies Jato Aka, a serene and picturesque settlement where nature and tradition coexist in harmony. This hidden gem is a place where the echoes of history reverberates through the hills and the vibrant culture of the tea people thrives. The people of Jato Aka are known for their warmth and hospitality, embodying the true spirit of community. Here, life moves at a gentle pace, with a deep connection to the land that sustains them. Agriculture is the backbone of this community, with lush fields of yams, cassava, and maize, stretching as far as the eye can see. Jato Aka is not just a place of natural beauty, it is a cultural haven. The Tiv people take immense pride in their rich heritage. Celebrating it through vibrant dances, intricate beadwork, and storytelling that has been passed down through generations. The traditional dances, known as Kwahi, are a mesmerizing sight, depicting tales of bravery, love, and folklore. Under the shade of the ancient trees, elders impart wisdom and stories to the younger generation, ensuring that the legacy of their ancestors lives on. In Jato Aka, every stone, every tree has a story to tell, a testament to the resilience and unity of its people. As the sun sets behind the hills, casting a golden glow over the land, Jato Aka stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its people, a community that thrives in harmony with nature, cherishes its heritage, and looks to the future with hope and determination.